Are you looking for a good cleaning and janitorial company in Ontario with experience, integrity, and extremely affordable rates? OvnyMex Elite Cleaning Services has provided commercial, industrial, residential, and retail cleaning and janitorial services in Ontario for over 20 years. With a long list of happy customers, customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. Here are just a few types of properties we service: offices, medical buildings, industrial facilities, restaurants, condominiums, hotels, manufacturing facilities, dealerships, and so much more. We also provide post-construction cleaning, floor maintenance, stripping and waxing, carpet cleaning, window cleaning, and more. So give us a call at 416-990-1122 or visit our website at www.torontojanitorialcompany.com to request a cleaning quote. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for choosing OvnyMex for all your cleaning needs.